Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 16, 2014, and today is Monday, first day of the week of the trading week. Lighter day in South Africa today. I realize that it's a bank holiday today in South Africa, so for all you South Africans down there, just want to wish you a memorable day today. We're starting off with the day today with the euro number coming out at 12 o'clock. It is of high importance. So keep an eye if you are trading around 11 o'clock. Actually, this is Eastern time. So if you are trading around 11 o'clock this morning, make sure to have an eye on the euro, or if you do have open positions. Let's look at the euro. Faltered kind of last Friday a little bit. Really not moving that much. We have a basis at 35.19, 35-ish. We're right now at 35.46. We're about 30 pips down from this range. I would imagine, again, like I said, that there's going to be a little bit of a bounce at some point in order to fill this gap. If you remember, we tanked more than about 300 pips, 300 to 400 pips from its highs at 39, and we're just consolidating here. Okay, so we sold off after last Friday towards the end of the day, and then we're just a little bit bouncing right here, but not significantly. Okay, looking at the GBP USD, big rally, and I think we've actually popped the top. If we look, yeah, we have. Like I said to you, there was one or two plays on this trade. Either you could have played or traded the range, bought at the top of the range, at the bottom of the range, excuse me, and then anticipated some sort of a breakout. If you remember, I said since there was a very big candle and a consistent buy, I was more inclined to say that we would break out on the top, and sure enough, we have been breaking out. We are holding right now at 170, okay, which is a big number for the for the GBP USD, and it's a major threshold that we haven't hit. If we look in weekly terms, okay, we're now getting back to where we are before in 2008. So big number, big breakout. And I would anticipate even we can go up to 174. There is no limit on this right now. So keep an eye on it. It's still trading beautifully. Okay, there is some tremendous potential in it. So make sure that you have an eye on it. Okay. Looking further in the markets right now, well, I said it. Gold would hit 1282, and sure enough, this is where we're at. 1282. We closed up this. If we look down here, we made a little bit of a basis point down here. And as you remember, I said if we break this, okay, we're going to come and test this again. And sure enough, we're at that level right here at 1282, which was previous support, now anticipated resistance. And sure enough, that's where we hit it. Okay, I hate it when I'm wrong, but I like it when I'm right. And in this case, we have to keep an eye on how further it'll go up. Okay, it may just falter at the 1290 level. There are multiple places here, 1290, surely 1300 is a big number for this. So keep an eye on the gold today. All right, if you did miss it, don't chase it. There'll be plenty of other opportunities, and see maybe we could sell off a little bit. Let's see. Selling off at this level, I'm not sure where we're gonna. There's not really a threshold that I think we can retrace back to. Maybe do a Fibonacci retracement to see how far we can retrace from this level. Might not be the most accurate, but it could be something to refer to. However, like I said before, keep an eye on this. It is still trading and trading quite significantly. So as I've said before, these are a pocket of opportunities that you're given all the time, and this was a case in point. Looking at the Dow Jones, we sold off last week nicely. See, we just hit the 1700 level, just shy of 17,000, excuse me. And now we've sold off. We're holding at 16,775 anticipated. Okay, we're bouncing off a little bit of a resistance, previous resistance, now support, which is nice. It's a nice formation here. Okay, I would look for this to range trade. Okay, for the summer until we have some sort of confirmation this thing should go higher. Okay, the markets in the States are doing well. The big companies are doing excellent. They're showing profits. I would anticipate us to continue going up, maybe even challenge the 17,000 towards the end of the summer sometime in August. But as I've said before, the indices are definitely trading. So looking over to today, the Dow Jones, the gold, the GBP USD really breaking up, the Euro USD, keep an eye on it around 11 o'clock this morning. And that's the review for the market this morning. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. This is Razak at CMTrading.